In this video, I will show you how to add Google Maps to Wix website. In order to do that, click on this plus icon right around here in order to do this. Now go to your contact forms and then you should be able to see in here a lot more options for your contact. Then you can scroll down and under that you can see the option called Google Maps. So click on this Maps option and then just select the template that you want. So I'll head over and then add this one. Now, once it's been added, you can resize it to fit your actual frame. And then from in there, just click the map and then click on this manage locations option. Now we need to get the address. Head over right here and I have in here this location. I'll just click on this copy address right here and then I'll just put this on this address option right there. And for the title, we have in here Sea of Clouds. So I'll head over it and then put that right around here. And then once you have inputted right here all of your details, you can head over and then just close this. And as you can see, it's pinpointed the location.